Hi guys, welcome back again to another interesting video. So the previous video we talked about insert tab in Microsoft Word. We saw how we can add a table, we saw how we can add a picture, we saw how we can add a shape, and also a screenshot, and also a video, online videos. So in this class, in this section now, we are going to see more of insert. Maybe we can see how to add a chart. So you basically we have this ribbon of the insert. So we'll go to chart. We'll see different charts. We can see um, we have line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area, scatter, map, stock, surface, histogram, waterfall, funnel, or combo. So we can start with the bar chart. We have different bar charts, so we can select that one, then we click OK. So after clicking OK, definitely it will appear on your Word document. And now, because this is because use charts to display your content or display your data, so you have to edit the sections. So immediately after you insert the chart, a pop-up of Microsoft Excel sheet will appear that will enable you to edit the different sections of your chart. You can see in my chart I have category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, and also I have series 3, series 2, and series 1. We can change how this data is displayed depending on what you want. Maybe we can say category 1, we can categorize it as mangoes. I love mangoes. Let's go with the fruits. Okay, mangoes. Oranges, category 2, we can call it oranges. Okay, category 3, we can call it bananas, and category 4, we can call it apples. So immediately after you change your data, it reflects on your chart. And then in series 1, we can call it year 1, year 1. Series 2, we can call it year 2, year 2. And series 3, we can call it year 3, year 3. So that's how we are able to change our data. You can see now our data has all the details that we provided, the fruits, and also the years. Also, we can change these sections. I can see it's out of, let's say, 10. So you can see the first year the mangoes, it's 4.3. We can change it to maybe 3.2. The moment you change, it is going to reflect. Then we can change to year 2. We say 2.4. We can say it's 2.1. It is going to change. And in year 3, we can say maybe 3. So it's going to change, and say it has changed. So basically that's how you are going to change the entire chart that you insert. Yeah, and this does not apply only to the bar chart, it applies to all kinds of charts. And then now when you see that your chart is too big, it's occupying too much space, you can squeeze it, drag it from the one of the corners, and to fill the space that you want. So basically that's where we want our chart to be. So that's how we have added our chart. That's how you can add your chart. So we can, and then you make sure you save your work. So you can also add any other chart that you want. Just go to chart. We can add pie chart, then click OK. It will appear here. It will appear on your table. Again, it has come with an Excel worksheet where you can change your data. yeah, where you can change your data. So this one, instead of first quarter, we can call it as first year, second year, third year, and fourth year. It is going to change, and also these are going to change. Maybe you can say this 6.5, 3.8. The chart will be changing, 2.1, and maybe 1.5. Yeah, so your chart will definitely be changing. You can see it how it has changed. Also, instead of having the sales title as a title, you can change it to purchases or whatever you want. It will definitely change. So basically that's how you are able to change your data, in especially when you have added charts. Also the charts, you can change the colors. We have this one, so you can also change the colors. Yeah, you can change the colors. You can see this one is colorful palette 3 that has orange, gold, green, brown, dark yellow, and a green. And also we have this one, like this is where you can change the colors of your graph. Yeah, so that's how you can change them. You can use, these are colorful, and these are monochromatic, that is blue gradient, dark to light. There's so many. Yeah, so that is where you can change your colors from. I love my first color. You can also change them to look like this. Yeah, like you have so many options. You have so many options. Yeah, so basically that's how you are able to change your chart. Yeah, so after editing your work, make sure you save it. Yeah, always remember to save your work. Okay, so that's about inserting a chart. We can also insert, we can talk about cover page, blank page, and page break. So for the cover page, this is the first page that appears in your document. Instead of, you can see our document is starting with changing font style and font size. We can first add the cover page. Okay, we can go to insert, then cover page, and then you select the one that you want. In fact, the cover page contains details like your name, the title of your document, and maybe your name, and yeah, maybe your school in case you are in college. Yeah, so basically that's what your document, the cover page has. So when you click insert cover page, of course everything else in that document will go to the next page, and then now the cover page will occupy your first page. So you can edit the document title, like for example our document title is let's say computer. You can write computer classes. Yes, so that will be, then company name, you can say it's Lety TechConsultancy. And then company address, maybe you can write China, Guangzhou. Yeah, so basically that's how you can add a cover page to your document. That's how you can add a cover page to your document. Yes, and then blank page, it's like a blank page. You can add it anywhere in your document. Like for example, if I want to add a blank page immediately after this graph, I just select blank page. Now we go to the next page. Okay, that's how you add a blank page. Like it's basically going to the next page. You just, instead of just using enter in your keyboard, you can just click the blank page. Okay, how do you add a page break? You just go to insert and click page break. Now you will have, so what's the purpose of a page break? So it means adding a page break means you end the current page here and then move to the next page. So it's as a short form of control plus return in your keyboard. So page break, the like if you want to end a page in a certain area, like for example, let's add here after this text, then you click a page break. So now it will take you to the next page. Like you have told it, move from here, let's go to the next page. So it will definitely take you to the next page. So that's how you add a page break. So I hope you have learned something out of this video. If you have, please make sure you give it a like and also comment. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet on the next one.